Hey guys, Becki-licious here. Today we are going to do a fun little yummy treat. They are banana truffles. How amazing does that sound, right? So let's get started on this, okay? All right, so these yummy banana truffles look super simple to do, so I figured it would be a great idea to try it with you guys today. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and click on the link tree, okay? All right, so we've got some crushed up vanilla wafers in our bowl already. We are going to add in our cream cheese. Like I said, this does not get any simpler than this recipe. I've got a small box of banana cream pudding mix, and that's going to go in there as well. And then we are going to add in a little bit of milk. All right, so we're just going to get this all mixed up, and then it's time for our next step, okay? All right, I cheated, I got my gloves out. It was easier, much easier to use my gloves. So now we are going to roll these up into some fine little balls and get them on our cookie sheet because these are going to go in the freezer just for about half an hour. So then it'll be time for our next step, okay? Okay, we've got our last one. So there we go. So we're going to go and throw these into the freezer for just about half an hour or so. Then it's time for our next step, okay? All right, these banana truffles have been in the freezer for about half an hour. So they are all ready to go. I've got my white chocolate over here, nice and melted. Yummy. And then we've got a little bit of crushed up vanilla wafers that we're going to put along the top. So let's try these out and see how they come out. Because, oh yes, I want to make sure to get as much of that chocolate off as we can. There we go. And then we're going to, like I said, we're going to take a little bit of the crushed vanilla wafers on the top. Oh, tell me that doesn't look yummy. Tell me that doesn't look yummy. All right. So we're going to go through and get all of these covered up in the white chocolate. Get them all nice and coated. All right. Check back with me in a few. All right, these banana truffles have all been coated in their white chocolate. So I'm going to put them back in the refrigerator for just a little bit, and then it's going to be time to plate up and try these. Boy, I don't know about you, these banana truffles turned out gourmet. I mean, look at how amazing these look. They look so amazing. You're going to seriously impress somebody with these, trust me. They were so super easy. I got to love it. So we got to give it a try. Definitely got to try it. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh, those are so good. Ooh, banana yumminess, the white chocolate, vanilla wafers. Oh, dude, I'm making these all the time now. Oh my God, these turned out absolutely amazing. I am so happy. I'm a happy person right now. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had fun. I know that I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.